Pete from Cheap Homesteading, and today we are in the sugar bush. I just rushed home from work. Today it ran a lot. I have to pick up as much sap as I can before dark. Hopefully I can get it all. Man, oh man, there's just not enough time in the day. It is getting dark quick, so we're gonna have to hurry. We're gonna use the Massey and some pails. Hopefully we can get them all dumped before it gets too dark. There is lights on the tractor, so. And the pails are 3/4 full. Kind of crazy, man. Oh man, I probably should have got home from work early to do this. It's actually not supposed to go below 0 tonight, so I don't know. I don't think that'll be a good thing, but sometimes it'll just keep running, so who knows. Man, they're turkey tracks. 3/4 full. Hey, so we are running out of time quickly. That was only 60 liters. I don't know, I probably have 250 or more, maybe 300. It was a crazy day running. It is getting real dark, but we're going to use the Massey's lights. They're not very good, but it's the best I got. That's what it looks like when you work full time and you rush home to collect the sap. It was a super run. This was the real first real day, and I counted the buckets putting them in, and it should be about 340. The tank sloped away from us a bit, so it's about here. So I think that's probably right, because 5 is here. So anyways, it's doing good. Thank goodness for the lights on the Massey. They're this old halogen glow. It kind of a little bit nostalgic. So anyways, that's about enough for today. You guys have a good one.